Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to be showing you one hair growth recipe that you should know. So on the left side I have cloves. So cloves boost hair growth by increasing blood circulation and enriching the scalp with oxygen. It has vitamin A, C and K, and it also strengthens the hair, prevents dandruff, natural hair breakage, and the rest. Applying ginger on your scalp can improve blood circulation to the area while also stimulating each individual hair follicle, thereby causing hair growth. It also has several vitamins and minerals. It helps to prevent premature growing of hair, also makes your hair healthy, shiny and smooth. It just has a lot because it contains minerals and vitamins. Okay, so guys, from here I'm going to go ahead to the preparation of this. So first and first, you need a bowl of water to rinse off your herbs. So you're just going to see me applying adding the herbs to the water in order to remove every dirt that came with it. So this is how cloves looks like in a close shot, just in case you want to go get it on the market for your hair. Also this is how it is looking like. Next to our ginger, you just have to dice them up. You don't have to do a lot. Once you're done with the entire dicing, you just have to also rinse it up, so to remove everything. Now you put a pot of water to a boil, and once it boils, you're going to transfer your cloves into the water as well as your ginger. Then you are going to cover it again, allow it to boil on low heat, leave it for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I came back and this is what I could see. Put off the light and leave it to simmer again for another 10 minutes, and this is what you'll be seeing after a darker color. So what you want to do at this moment is sieving it, getting the juice out of it, getting the water out of it, and leaving the rest to be thrown away. I don't know if there's any recipe a person can do with the rest, but for now we're trying it away until we find out. So on this, that was my wash day. After I deep conditioned, instead of me to leave the bedroom immediately, so I just took my cloves rinse and poured it on my head from the very root to the very tip, and trust me, my hair felt it. I also added a little to my bottle of oil, peppermint oil. I know it wouldn't mix, but I did it anyway, and I shake it up whenever I want to make use of it, as you see me doing in this video. I left it for about 3 days. So guys, thank you for watching, and do not forget to like and subscribe, and I love you all.